Hi, this is Mudassar from Phone here. I'm holding Vivo V21 right now, and I'm making this video from the front camera. It's a 4K video at 30 frames per second. Vivo tells us the camera is really awesome. It's a 44 megapixel sensor on front with OIS and EIS combined. They can do wonders. Since the phone is giving us a very good camera setup, so I've chosen this place, a very beautiful place in Lahore. It's Shalimar Garden. I'll show you the place as well, and let's see what kind of video and pictures we are getting here. So let's begin our video. So we have this stabilization mode on the front camera. It's a combination of OIS and EIS. And what a better place could be to check this stabilization than these stairs. And you can see me, the changing exposure behind me. It's all blown out right now. So I'm out once again, and you can see behind me the sun is actually confronting the lens at the moment, so you can see the background is quite whitish. It's more blown out, but as I move, things are getting better. I'm not using any gimbal or any selfie stick. It's bare hand, so this is what you're going to get. So let me show you the impact of stabilization when it is on and off. Right now on your left screen it's off, and the right one is showing you when the stabilization is on, so you can better see yourself what's the difference between them. And this is the stable video from the rear camera. It's a 1080p at 30 frames per second. So this is a bit of comparison of stable and non-stable video. On your right side, the video is stable, whereas on the left one, it's the non-stable video. Again, it's a 1080p at 30 frames per second from the rear camera, and you can see the difference when it's active and when it's not. And guys, let's see what a 4K video can give you here. It's 30 frames per second, and as you can see, the lens is facing the sun, so it's kind of different. And as I am moving away, well, it's a very beautiful feature on Vivo V21 camera setup that you can make dual video. Although it's not a very new feature, I've seen it on many other phones, but this is something very interesting. I can make use of the front and rear camera both, but I can also zoom. It can go up to 5x. You can also use the rear camera for both the windows like this, or you can do it like picture in picture mode. So guys, I'm done with the day images and videos. It's been a long day and I'm quite tired now. And if you are wondering why I'm using shades right now, I'm having a bit of infection in my eyes, so pardon me for that. And I'm very curious to see how this front spotlight is going to help me in the low light and at night as well. If you want me to turn on the flash, let me see if it happens right now. Yes, dual spotlight flash is on, and this is the result I am getting. What if I change it to the auto one? Yeah, this one, this is aura screen right now, and at this time when there is not much light around, you would be having this kind of result from this camera. So guys, I'm here to have some food, and while I take the break, you can watch this video to see the 4K sample from the front camera. I'm not using any flashlight because I don't think it's required here. There's ample light. You can see I'm using this one, and there's a light behind me which is of red color, I believe. So this is the kind of result you should be expecting, and behind me there are few lights as well. So guys, you saw the dual camera mode in the day, and this is what you should be expecting at night. uh, no, there is no flash for the front camera in this mode, and in the dark, almost here, you can see in my surrounding that there is not much light that I can use. uh, and when I'm closing in, going towards the light, and you can see the situation is getting better and better. So guys, this is a 1080p at 30 frames per second. The stabilization mode is on, and also the spotlight, the dual spotlight that is present on the front camera, they are on as well. Sometimes you don't have lights available around you, so this spotlight can be helpful for you.